Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, those of you that are yet to subscribe and you have not yet subscribed, please make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, and also make your comments. I'd love to watch out for it. So let's take a look at Tesla for the week, right? In order to be able to predict this movement, first of all, we are going to analyze this movement from the higher time frame, which is the monthly time frame. We will start it from the monthly time frame down to the 4 hour time frame and why we'll be making such move. So let's start now. We can take a look at this Tesla. At first, Tesla was giving us like a bullish move, right? During the period of 2020, right? Price has been giving us an higher highs and higher lows. You can also see that during that time, price was actually trading above the 10 period moving average. So we all know that once this price is above the 10 period moving average, then definitely that is a buy. We would all concentrate on going bullish, right? But now I think this movement started, 2021. That is December 2021. Then this bearish move started dropping. As most of our stocks were dropping, we take a look at it at the S&P, be it the Nasdaq, and majority of our stocks were actually dropping. So it's at a drop like this will be seen as a pullback. Another drop, a pullback has been played out. Now another drop has played out on this Tesla. And you can also see this price is trading below the 10 period moving average. Now previously the price was trading above the moving average. One of the reasons why we were going bullish. But now we are having a bearish move that is trading below the 10 period moving average. So this is the month of September. Price opened and closed bearish. You can see the month of October, we also opened and closed bearish. See it again, the month of November, we opened and closed bearish. And when you take a look at the month of December, also price has given us a bearish. So have it in mind that when we get to the next year, which is the next month, we would also expect our price to actually open and close bearish. So above all, overall, we will be expecting a bearish move on this our Tesla, by the way. So that should now take us to the weekly time frame. So like I said, before you want to place your trade, right, you would want to ask yourself a couple of questions. And one of those questions you would want to ask yourself is, what is the trend for that movement? We all know that markets make three movements: uptrend move, downtrend move, or a ranging market move. So what the movements we are getting or we are having on Tesla is a downtrend move. A lower lows and a lower highs is what is played out on this Tesla. You can also see this price is trading now. It is also trading below the 10 period moving average. So as simple as that, we will going to continue our bearish move. So let's start this movement from here. We will see this as a drop. You cannot consider this to be a pullback. You cannot take this to be a drop, right? You will consider this to be a pullback. And you will now see this knee as a new drop. After this new drop, what do you expect? We'll be expecting a pullback. This is exactly what is playing out on this Tesla. So we should continue to have that pullback by the time the market will open. But once the market is over, sorry, when the pullback is over, then we would continue the bearish move on Tesla. So above all, anyhow you guys want to see it, Tesla is giving us a pullback right now, right? So we actually last week we actually opened at a level of 117 and currently we are trading at a level of 123. So above all, price is giving us a pullback. So once the pullback is over, we would continue our bearish move on Tesla. As you can see, it also still trading below the 10 period moving average. So this Tesla, we still see this as a bearish move. Now let's zoom it out. Let's see. I think price has also reacted to this level. So this is one of the reasons why price is currently at this level and reacting to it. We all know that once price has reacted to a level previously multiple times and price gets to that same level, there's every possibility, or will I say probability, that once price gets to that same level again, we would find a reaction at that level. Now take a look at this Tesla here. Price once gave us a reaction at here. Once price came to the same level, a pullback was made. Once price broke out of it, price gave us a pullback to test the level, right? So this is what we are having here right now. Price is at this level. Of course, we expect a pullback. After the pullback, we expect a continuous bearish move. So that is it on Tesla. Now let's see what this daily time frame says. So like I said, before you place your trade, you would want to know the trend for that movement. So we can clearly see that this is a lower lows and a lower high. So if we are following consistently, we'd have see how I highlighted this level. We saw that price kind of gave us like a pullback. It tested this level, right? Then once price gave us a drop, we broke this level, we had a pullback, kind of give us like a double top. We talked about it, right? Then price continue in bearish move, right? So this price is still on its bearish move. Also, if we take a look at this moving average, our price is still below our 10 period moving average. So as long as it is still trading below the 10 period moving average, like I always say, you would want to go ahead and sell. Be it if you are seeing a bearish move or the price is trading below your 10 period moving average on the weekly time frame, and it is also trading below your 10 period moving average on the daily time frame, then definitely all you would want to do is to actually go ahead and sell. So this Tesla, right, we still see this as a bearish move. So we take a look at this to be a drop and consider this to be a pullback. What next? A drop, and we will take a look at this to be a pullback, a drop, and now we are having a pullback. So this pullback is not yet over, by the way. So once this pullback is over, then we will continue that bearish move. So let's see if this pullback will actually break hit our 10 period moving average or break above it a little bit before we continue that bearish move. And let's apply this Fibonacci retracement too, right? So let's see if this retracement will get to a level of 23.6. So I'll be watching out for a level of 23.6 on my Tesla, right? So if Tesla can get to a level of 23.6, then we expect it to continue a bearish move. And if in case it does not, then we will watch out for a level of 38.2. So basically, we will want to watch out for two levels on Tesla to get to before it continue the bearish move. One, the first level is 23.6. So let's see if Tesla will get to that level, then you will now start getting that bearish move on Tesla. Or Tesla might rally up to a level of 38.2 before you continue that bearish move. So this is the two level that I'm watching out for basically on Tesla. First level 23.6, the second level should be 38.2. So above all, I will still see this Tesla as a bearish move. So now let's take a look at what this 4-hour time frame actually says. So this 4-hour time frame is giving us like a bullish move, which is on the daily time frame is seen as a pullback level, but on the 4-hour time frame it is an uptrend move. So higher highs and higher lows. So I mean, and you would want to place this trade on the 4-hour time frame, right? When you want to place this trade, you go to your 4-hour time frame to place this trade. And when you see on the 4-hour time frame, you are having an higher highs and higher lows, then definitely you would have to stay out of this trade until you are getting lower lows, lower highs. If you are getting a lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs price, you can go ahead and sell on your Tesla. Or once the price is trading below your 10 period moving average, you can go ahead and sell. But since we are still getting higher highs and higher lows, and this price is trading above this 10 period moving average, then definitely we would want to be patient enough for this bullish move on our 4-hour time frame to be over before we go ahead and sell on our Tesla for the day. So that's exactly what we have for the week.